Okay, so let's look at the solution or one possible solution for the test you're learning 1. Okay, so we're supposed to ask the users or the user to enter two numbers, and then we are supposed to find the sum of those two numbers. Okay, so let's ask the user to enter the first number. So I'm gonna say num1 will be input, enter a number. Okay, so I know that this num1 will be a string, so I need to convert it to a number. But instead of converting it to an int, I'm going to convert it to a float. That will allow the user to be able to enter numbers that have a decimal point. So I'm going to say, let's say float, okay, underscore num underscore 1, okay? Or let's just abbreviate it as FL. Yeah, makes more sense. So I'm going to say float num underscore 1. So this variable now contains the float of the number entered. And now I'm going to repeat this process. So I'm going to say num underscore 2 is input, enter a number. Alright, and then I'm going to say FL num2. Alright, and we're going to convert that to a float as well. Right, num underscore 2. Alright, so now we have both numbers converted to floats. So now I can do something with them. Alright, so actually let's move this comment since I already did that. Let me put that up here. Alright. Okay, so now we will print the sum to the console. So let's find the sum. So let's compute the sum. Okay, so I could say sum of numbers is FL underscore num1 plus FL underscore num2. Alright, so now we're able to print those numbers. So I will now do my printing. The sum of num1 and num2 is whatever sum we got. Alright, so now I'm going to say dot. Let's put that down here. Dot format. So what goes in the first curly brace? It's FL num1. Alright. What goes in the second curly brace? That's FL num2. And what goes in the third curly brace? That's sum underscore of numbers. Alright, do we have the right format? Oh, we're missing a full stop. So let me put that full stop right there. And so finally, let me close the print. And we should be good to go. So let's test this just to make sure. Alright, enter a number. Let's try with the example we have. 4.5, 5. The sum of 4.5 and 5.0 is 9.5. Okay. Notice, because we said the second number was a float, 5 is actually represented as 5.0. Now let's try it again. Let's run again. Enter a number, 12.7. Enter a second number, 10.2, and the sum of 12.7 and 10.2 is 22.9. Alright, so this is one possible solution for Test Your Learning 1. Okay, in the next video we will discuss Test Your Learning 2, and that will be the one you will work on, and in the following video I will discuss the solution for that. Okay, see you in the next video.